Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For those of you who do, welcome back. For today's video, it is going to be a quick DIY. I recently was walking with my husband and fell on a whole bunch of rocks, different shapes, sizes. So I thought, why not decorate them? If you guys have been following me for a while, I had a video that I put out where I decorated branches, and I told myself, why don't I decorate some rocks? I think that rocks are such a great way to fill up a bowl. You can either put them on trays, you can put them on coffee tables, or even as gifts. I think that they're a great way to give a gift. I thought, why not decorate them and make them unique? That's exactly what I did. I went to my local dollar store, got some faux suede cordage, and then I got some beading, and I also got these sort of Chinese coins. They were so perfect to add a little Zen feel to my rocks, and you know I love my ethnic feels, so I thought that it was going to be perfect. They weren't extravagant, but I did think that they did make a difference and they looked pretty in a bowl. I loved how they turned out. Depending on your home and the style of your home, there's so many ways to decorate rocks. You can either paint them, you can use some macrame, you can do knits on top of them, you could also use some beautiful crystals. It all depends on the vibe of your home. You can get creative. This is just an idea for you. This is what I did and I just love them. By all means, make it your own. I use some seashells. You guys know I love to use my earthy pieces. But before we get into the video, I wanted to mention, a lot of you have asked about my moon ring and where I got it. It is from Soul Eye Jewelry. She is one of my friends. She created this beautiful ring for me, and I literally have not taken it off my finger since I got it. I think by far my ultimate favorite ring ever, and Lord knows I have a lot of rings, but this is my favorite and my go-to, and I love it. It's such a statement. So a lot of you have been asking. The great part is I spoke to her recently and she is super sweet. She's offering you a discount code, so if you want a little discount, all of the information will be down below. So if you're looking for a gift, a unique piece you want to create, custom make it, necklaces, earrings, whatever it is, she can make it. Go show her some love. I wanted to share it because I know I get a lot of people asking me about this ring. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into this DIY. Enjoy. it. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. I know it wasn't the biggest DIY, but it's still something that I think everybody can do and everybody can find around their house, walking, anywhere really. You can find it at your hardware store. If you were looking for like bigger rocks, smaller rocks, anybody can do it. And it's a quick and easy DIY. I think it adds so much uniqueness to your home. It's all those little finishing touches that makes a home your own. So to me, those little things are important. And that's pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for watching. You know it already. I am so grateful for all your love, your support, your thumbs up, your comments. They mean the world to me. Have an amazing day. Mwah. See ya.